Western sign Zodiac Star Sign Constellations. Aquarius. Located in the stellar sea, Aquarius is one of the many constellations in the sky and is one of the 12 zodiac constellations. Its name means water barrier in Latin. It is depicted as a young man pouring water from a jar or a cup. Like I said before, Aquarius is one of the 12 zodiac constellations and they're also star signs. In Greek mythology, Aquarius is associated with Ganymede, a beautiful Trojan who was taken to Olympus to serve as a cupbearer to the gods by the king of the gods, Zeus, who turned in the form of an eagle. The main star in Aquarius is Sul, Beta Aquarii, and not only that, there's many stars in Aquarius too. As far as history goes, when people look up at the night sky, Aquarius remains as one of the well-known constellations in the sky.